This video focuses Introduction to Python Sets by asking ChatGPT Introduction to Python Sets with examples and code explanations. We can get the basic knowledge of Python sets. In Python, a set is an unordered collection of unique and immutable elements. Unlike lists or tuples, sets do not allow duplicate values and have no specific order. They support operations like union, intersection, difference, and symmetric difference. They are mutable, which means that you can add or remove items, but the elements themselves must be immutable. By running code example, we can have a preliminary understanding of the syntax and usage of Python sets. Let's first take a look at example, creating a set. You can create a set using the set constructor or by using curly braces with elements inside. Next, example, adding and removing elements. You can add elements using the add method and remove elements using remove or discard. Next, example, adding and removing elements. You can add elements using the add method and remove elements using remove or discard. Intersection. You can use and or intersection to find elements common to both sets. Difference. You can use or difference to find elements in one set but not in another. 4. Symmetric difference. You can use or symmetric difference to find elements that are in either set but not in both. Next, example, set methods. Here are some common set methods. Len, set, returns the number of elements in a set. Clear, removes all elements from the set in, checks if an element exists in a set. As shown in this example, you can become familiar with how to use set methods. Next, example, removing duplicates from a list. Sets are often used to remove duplicates from lists since they only allow unique elements. First, convert the list to a set to remove duplicates. Then, convert the set back to a list. Finally, let's review the main characteristics of sets. Python sets are a powerful tool for working with unique collections of items. Their efficiency with set operations like union, intersection, and difference makes them useful in many programming tasks, such as removing duplicates, membership testing, and mathematical set operations.